Volume control and 2 headphone jacks. Easily mounted on compatible monitors. Color: black. Power adapter sold separately. Genuine Dell AX510 Soundbar speakers. The soundbar also includes volume control and 2 headphone jacks on the sides. This does not include the power adapter. These speakers will mount to the following UltraSharp flat panel displays and P-series flat panel displays: 1703 fp, 1704 fp, 1707 fp, 1707 fpv, 1708 fp, 1801 fp, 1901 fp, 1905 fp, 1907 fp, 1907 fpv, 1908 fp, 1908 wfp, 1908 wfp, SP1908 fp, SE198 wfp, 2001 fp, 2005 fp, 2005 fpw, 2007 fp, 2007 wfp, 2009w, 2208 wfp, 2408 wfp, 2707 wfp, 3007 wfp, 3007 fpw, 3007 wfphc, 3008 wfp, E152 fp, E153 fp, E156 fp, E157 fp, E157 fpt, E172 fp, E173 fp, E176 fp, E177 fp, E178 fp, E178 fpw, E193 fp, E196 fp, E197 fp, E198 fp, E198 wfp, E207 wfp, E228 wfp, E248 wfp, SE177 fp, SE178 wfp, SE197 fp, SE198 wfp, S199 wfp, SP2208 wfp, P2309w, ST2210, ST2310, ST2410, SX2210T, P190S, U2711. Compatible part numbers: AX510, AX510PA, C730C, DW711, 313, 6412, 313, 6219, 313, 6413, 313, 6412. Top reviews from the United States. Decent, flat sound on a Dell U2412M monitor. Pros. Price. Good highs, treble. Connected natively to U2412M Dell monitor clips and power. Jog dial for volume on the right. Headphone out and line in port on left. Allows me to clean up cabling and retire space-taking satellites. Included power adapter which will allow me to repurpose in the future.